Good morning, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Pen. Might not be morning when you're watching it, it's morning now, so just a general hello. This video is not what I'm going to show you first, but we'll get onto it. Just been into farm foods. Now, you know I quite enjoy beans on toast. In fact, I love a beans on toast. I like beans. Branston baked beans, 6-pack, $3.99 each, or 3 for a tenner. So I bought 3 for a tenner. Boom, done. They'll last us quite a while. Also, while we're wandering, I spotted this. It's not something I usually buy at all, but it was 9p, so I thought I'll have some of that, thank you. Egg fried rice. I make my own, but sometimes I can't be bothered with the faff. It's not a faff, but I have to cook the rice, etc, etc. So this egg rice, 2 for 99p. So I think they are just a few bargains from Farm Foods this morning. Right then, now I've got that out of my system, let's go on with today's video. And I have a tin of chip shop style mushy peas. And what we're going to make today is we're going to make some mushy pea fritters. Now I love mushy peas, and I thought, do you know what, I'm going to make some fritters. I can't do what I want to do. Right, so I'm going to get a bowl out. Sorry about that. And I'm going to tip the tin of mushy peas into the bowl, just like so. Now I've had the tin in the fridge keeping cool because, there you go, I'm saying there you go, you can't see, right, it comes out pretty much as a 1 lump or 2, right. Do not eat the peas, Penny, do not eat the peas, because I would. Then I've got a piece of parchment paper, and I've got it on a board, and let's bring you down. Right, so literally parchment paper, board, mushy peas. And I think I will wear gloves for this because it's going to look a little bit mucky, but be worth it, trust me. Right, put on some gloves for this if you have them. If you don't worry, but I would suggest taking off any rings that have stones in. Right, and then you just pick up, I'm doing them to go into a roll, okay, so we're just going to pick up some mushy peas, and we're going to sort of, and it is only a sort of, make them into a patty shape. Right, why did I put them on the parchment paper? Well, because now these are going to need to chill down, to be frozen for about an hour or so, maybe a little bit over, but it certainly won't be any less. So these are going to go into the freezer, and when I come back I'll be making the batter for these mushy pea fritters. We have patty, mushy pea fritter, whatever you want to call it, in the batter. And then it's going to go into the fryer. And I'll do that with the other one too, and show you when they're cooked. Right, I've assembled them, and there we go. Our mushy pea fritters on top of a tempura battered fish burger in a roll. And here I've got some little bits that fell off. I'm going to be honest, they fell off. I won't even show you the state of my basket. But anyway, mushy pea fritters. This one's going through to Steve. It has tartar sauce on the bottom, but I'm taking some more through, and we'll be back for the taste. Right then, he's got his and I'm going to tuck into mine. But one thing I always do with my mushy peas is vinegar. Oh gosh, this isn't a right. I love vinegar on my mushy peas. So let's, I mean, the mushy peas still have the mushy pea integrity. Is that the right word? It is now. It's the one I'm going to use anyway. So let's see how mucky I can get. I really want to get more of the pea than the fish, so we'll go this side. Right, bit more elegant. We'll try this. That is good. Nice and crispy. Right. I'm going to happily say that mushy pea fritters are a winner. Now I'm also going to say, don't do what I did. Don't put them in your basket. I don't know why I didn't remove the basket. Put them straight into the fryer, or I'm going to have to sort out that oil as well. Fryer or the wok. Oh, I like that. Right, mushy pea fritters. Do give them a go. They're, you know, a traditional British dish. I'm not sure how far north they go, but they're lovely. Thank you for watching this edition of In the Kitchen with Pen. I shall see you again very soon. Don't forget, if you've liked it, give us a thumbs up. Any comments, write them down below. Happy to reply. And I shall see you again very soon in the Kitchen with Pen. Bye bye for now.